Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 20 from the playlist of JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is the acceleration versus time graph, and based on this topic, I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT-JEE exam in the year 2004. So, the acceleration versus time graph is basically used to find the change in the velocity, and the change in the velocity is calculated by calculating the area of the triangle bounded by the curve here, this curve AB, this x-axis and the y-axis. So in this case, it is the right angle triangle. So the area of the triangle AOB will be equal to half into base. Now here at t is equal to 11 seconds, the acceleration is 0, and at t is equal to 0, the acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square. So this area will be equal to half into 10 into 11, and this is equal to 55. Now the change in the velocity is given by the area enclosed by this curve, this x-axis and the y-axis. So this is equal to 55 meter per second. Now we have to find the maximum velocity since the body is starting from the rest. So the maximum velocity will be equal to 55 minus, this is the change in the velocity. Now the change in the velocity is equal to the final velocity minus initial velocity. Now initial velocity is equal to 0. The final velocity, or you can say the maximum velocity in this case, this will be equal to 55 meter per second. So the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, we will discuss a different type of equation from the topic of motion. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.